Welcome back, graduates. So today I'm going to show you how to create custom page templates with Shopify 2.0, which is an amazing new feature that was released about a year ago. And what that basically means is you have sections on the homepage, and whatever sections you have on the homepage, you have readily available to create beautiful landing pages on any other page. So I'm going to show you how to create a custom page template, but then I'm going to use one of the sections that we've created for you, and then show you how to set that up as well. I know there's been many requests how to use the FAQ section, as a standalone page itself. So I'm going to go right into it and show you.
3, 2, 1.
So you're in the back end of your Shopify store, and there's a couple steps on how to do this. You're not going to get a zip file or anything, but I'm just going to show you right here. So if I click customize into my theme, I'm going to see the FAQ at the very bottom right here. And it's a nice accordion drop down. And if you don't have this yet, but you really want it, go and check the other video, the FAQ video. So going down here, you have this, and it is on the home page. But let's say I want to create a brand new, just specifically isolated FAQ page itself with the section here that you've purchased or on other themes. So this doesn't just go on our theme. This applies to any other theme when you're on Shopify 2.0. So right over here, I'm going to go into my theme editor, homepage, pages, and I'm going to create a new template. So when you see the option create a new template or create template, you'll know that you are on Shopify 2.0 just as is. So right now I only have contact. So I'm going to create a page template, and I'm going to name it FAQ. And this will only have the FAQ content in it. And I'm just going to do it based on the default page. Now it's going to look like this. And it looks all weird and jumbled, and it doesn't look like it's a FAQ page. So right over here, there's a preview. You can preview, and I don't have a FAQ page right now. And then there's page. You can hide this, and what this means is you can hide the page content right here. So I'm just going to hide this, and then now I'm going to go and add the section, and you have all these sections that you can add to build out beautiful landing pages. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start typing in F for the FAQ right over here, and then here is the default, and I'm just going to save this. Once you have this section, you can go and design it however you want. With our settings, again, we do have options here, max width. You can also add another section here. So I'm just going to add this and categorize it so it'll look really nice. And I'm just going to do 1200 again. So this top section I can do, let's do general, and general. And the bottom section here, I'm going to name this, let's say this is for coffee. I'm going to do our coffees. So specifically, maybe general could be shipping, about your business. Coffee is about the coffee itself. And then you can have another one for shipping, returns, policies, things like that. And I'm just going to save it right here. So now I have this beautiful FAQ page, and I have questions here. So when I go out of this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my pages here. In the back end, I'm going to go into pages and create a page. Now I'm going to create this, and I'm going to name this title, or I'm going to name this FAQ in the title. And then right over here, this is where you assign your new custom page template. So this is after, or you can do this before. So I'm going to just assign this to FAQ, the new one that I just created. I'm going to click save, and take Shopify a little bit to update, because it does take a little bit for Shopify to update. But here is the new page, and it doesn't have any of the other content except strictly the FAQ. Now, when you want to assign this to the navigation here, just going to reload this in the theme editor. When you want to assign this in the navigation, you'll go back into your back end and go and click on navigation. And let's say I want to put this in the main menu, even though sometimes most of the time it's in the footer. I will do add menu, and you can start typing in pages and FAQ. And we'll take Shopify a little bit, but see, Takes a little bit. Online store, we're gonna click preview, and it hasn't updated yet. Has not updated yet. Perfect. Now we have the FAQ in the navigation right here. When I click on it, it's gonna drive me to the new FAQ template that I just created. Now this can work for any any theme, the same logic here, but this is the way to create the custom page template. You go into the theme editor, you create and you name the title that you want, build out the landing page, and then you go create the page, and then you assign it to the template, and then you assign it to the navigation afterwards. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go into here and I want to create another page. And let's say I want to create a page, but it's going to be new landing. And the thing is, if I already have an FAQ page and I have already the content in there, and I know for myself it's going to have an FAQ section, you can do it based on the FAQ. You can do it based on whatever previous templates you have. So this means that all my content for the FAQs are going to be there. So everything's there. Then I can go and add a new section, so I don't have to continue rewriting in content as well. So let's say I want to add a testimonial slider, and I'm just going to do that right above here. I'm going to click save, and then I'm also going to add a let's see, just say, what else do we have and Don have? Image banner. So I'm just going to do an image banner. And then I have a testimonials, and then I have a FAQ. But that's essentially how the custom page template works. If you do need help, reach out to hello@ecomgraduates.com, and we'll be sure to help you. Hope this video did help. Please like, comment, and subscribe, as it does help the YouTube algorithm, and we can create more videos, how-to videos like this to help you. Thank you.